is beginning it up your man is
uchifamba tonazi usangana nebenzi rokurobamba makuti kwa ano ita saying
I miss you.
Easy. Wow.
Noku.
Cookies.
I miss you too.
And Natanya out loud. What Noku is doing is unfair. She only went to Tawanda's game because Tendai wasn't picking up her calls.
Oh, atarafi.
Atarafi, man.
Kozi, dega piga makozi.
I told him, dega piga. Right, stop back. Oh, no, because last shower, even the people are saying, the fans are saying this.
They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah. Good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with KC. Alright, today we're gonna be reacting to Wadiwa Wepa Moyo season 1 episode 9. Yeah. If you didn't watch last week's video, it's gonna be in the description down below. Let's see the highlights from last week.
So please like, share and subscribe to your Kayzano channel.
So yeah, please like, share and subscribe guys if you like this video. In fact, right now, go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Go to 1K. Please help me get to 1K. Please tell your friends to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah.
Share to your friends.
Yes, sir. Alright, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Link to the original video down below. Yes or no? Ew, what is this street? People will be done with the tracks.
Like in the trails.
Put in my tracks. Sure, like I say.
Man, you just ain't it.
I don't know. I want to go after that.
Say, oh, for to my side, yeah? I say, no, my trails, she will come back.
I think this series actually shows that not all men are trash guys.
Yeah,
Please, ladies, not all men are trash.
ladies are trash.
Yeah,
Some of
you guys, you belong to the streets, guys. As in, think that. I mean, not cheating.
I don't know why.
Bye,
Chiruga chuda moja na simutumwe wana mumpezi.
Wana watiraji na abiri.
Ama ndiye poti.
Mvisa ni love.
Feel like
Something I don't think is a good thing. You think it out in my mouth. That's crazy. That's mad love, guys. That's mad love.
Love you, baby. You didn't teach you. Whoa! Sambalo ngwa por tupo Maria. Blamos. Street swabber ibude. Man, abone so twinja. Msadao blamozi. Lupa yangu kipindi ya chomodiza ni mafuta. Upo kaipana.
Iwe. Iwe. Wagwa. Iwe. Iro. Pana. Azozo badala. Azozo legasa hivi ni menu.
Mtino menu.
Chitima cha fake.
Mtiboge. Potengezi. Sha. Nindui playing in silly.
Silly.
Potengezi. Upeka chete kitisha. Tukatoro ane 10. Tudotobe matrez. Aisba.
House. Ai.
Rumira finance. I'm serious. Ubuti chiwe. Dubuti. Sasa je bora. I'm going through a lot. Yeno ga no kichore ga pere.
And ladies, you see what we go through. I think we'll roll on to the next. No more words, you.
No more say and I'm not. You do not see things fall apart, man.
Things fall apart.
I never
understand. Understand that she will have a matter. Sharp, we had a simple plan. Play football, which can actually Old Trafford.
Nice. That's boring.
Does it look like Chile who you get? I don't think we even make it to UK.
But you move to one thing in a book, what thing is at school? I wouldn't. Okay, it's millions of dollars just for a girl. I'm not asking to see that.
This is also.
Oh, really?
Hey, no, in the water, but I don't think I know.
I'm there.
So I said he doesn't want to go because of me.
It's really obvious.
So what do you want me to do?
I was beginning it up your apartment.
Uchifamba tonazi usangana nebenzi rokurobamba makuti kwakwa kwakwa ano ita saying
I can't. I'm sorry.
ano ita say ano fuluka ka
So I'm a prayer. Like.
Unza niko try to number zake. Asinyanye choma kweli.
I blow away. So don't time on it.
I'm good with numbers. Kayzano we told you watching that. Kuramba futhi. Kawena right.
Ifone uhirambo bini etinde.
Yes. Mote blue.
Saka ato blue auto ghost of.
I don't know what trouble it is. Lukaku.
Lukaku ya Mungu.
Lukaku ya mshise.
Arikupitiwa. Suwa. Kocha.
Masikao za kusika alipitiwa.
Ajalinda anytime.
Ndio what after last time.
Deudze wewe.
Kocha, anza karambona kabebake kai manyana muvi kuna trafa huko. Anza nyani.
To bring ngoma.
You should just mind your own business.
You unapata mdana. You tunumize tunoku.
Masikao za watu na munhu wani. Alipitiwa.
Bakayipa kocha. Andita achade zvebhora.
Saka ndoita nizve.
No cry.
Saka mutongoseta chiti. Akasauya ndakutongoisa yaya pakani.
Akusiga manje msachi.
Veza kwenye benziro. Kili sakari. Vampiri avarijararidza. Yeah, alright, true God. Kino manda asikazuru. Manda achimbotuveroka.
Manda anonga pamwana
Nataka ndachamba bora. Msati, ndakambokuza.
China nomwana.
Anotambira kumwe. Kugastu.
Saka support man. Iro vandu pane material.
Iro.
Chiperekedzo.
Iro.
Sure.
Yes. Atudatawana.
Right. Maakutara man. Maakutara man.
Kitizamchitezo.
Iza maamchitezo. Manja sika sibuka manje.
Ukamushika.
Nilirashika.
Yes, I
Kocha na mleti. Wana ni dini matrials.
Hadi break.
Wanapona bantawa sama bora man.
Awavizema picha.
Vika mafuta. Vika mafuta. Ayo, wakaurwenda kubi kumfisi.
Matao.
Yes, I trying to figure something. Olha sua vez.
Zirayaya.
Manager.
Manja zona ya mungu.
Eka. No, tunaona manta wajiru wajuno. Saya pana kocha lo na manager.
Pass.
Pass.
Asikupaza tiwangu. Asikupaza yaya.
Mani
Ya kudizo ya tafukuza utara.
Ya ruwa.
Olomi.
Kocha. Bibirwishinga n'abantu.
Kadang boleh ni.
Okay.
Ai, what's wrong with sama kabura man? Ai, wamire man. Tak kumlo wan. One move.
This is
one hit.
Kira shooters like
Kira shooter, bro. One. Can I celebration? No, bro. No.
Don't transfer copy track in Moscow to the baby.
It's just we're walking. You can walk with us, Kanochida. Hi, I'm doing that. I'm gonna be, but you know,
Gang. You so far on a cheat, don't try the name anything.
Yes. I'm doing any for every day.
I'm going to bring them.
Hero. Regarisa ino mani. Regarisa ino.
So you only mangani.
As long as I'm choosing, I just stay for the weekend. If I'm not to say much.
I miss you.
Yes. Wow.
Loco,
Cookies there.
I miss you too. Can I still take you to that movie?
You want to take me out for a movie?
The love was the first.
I want to know my size.
Yes, Tawanda. You can take me out for a movie. Baby.
Yenga Tawanda.
Finish up, man. I don't want to go.
I say, Tindega. Come on,
What are the ways, man? What are the ways, man? You. That was the last thing to do.
Manta.
Amanta wa Jairo. What does the fight in there? What does the fight in?
I know what's in there.
I guess. I think it's safe to say the Noku belongs to the streets. I was a teacher. Could you Mira apa dai manta angarwa arawan ato guiza
Beberezo muda haiwa bayoiga bati ezongoza tinde uti bayoiga bati
I miss you chautisha
so bazinagana
uzadaro manta please but rakusaima Mira when
next step so to money
bacha sign of money no kwaruto Lobe
na jofa za ruzo
let's wait for episode 10 guys. What do you think Noku is going to do next episode? Karamanta and who do you think is going to win? So can they fight Manta na fight up the pin. As it go. Today, that will go that you wait and it's a baby there.
Manta out in the money.
Okay, no man. Okay, so how can you see a Biko? No,
gonna figure so.
I don't even put it up in the team. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir. You all know the best part of the video, the YouTube comment section. Let's see the comment. And in a Craig, because that one friend we all need. I mean, like for people, facts. Everyone needs a friend like Biko, guys. Facts. If you don't have a friend like Biko, like get your friend like Biko.
Biko needs
as today I have a killer.
These good legs are for you. The cat, yeah, how fun.
And let's make them millionaires, guys, by sending $1 on the Eco Cash for every episode.
Millionaires is in US or the bond.
Yeah, but like please, Itamuga specify because Pagaipa. And the drop a like if you want the next episode to be 30 minutes. Yes.
Yeah, for real.
Yes. I think next episode is not the finale.
I think so.
I has to be 30 minutes, guys. But hey, it was really short, so it's not up to us. But Auntie Natanya out loud, what Noku is doing is unfair. She only went to Tawanda's game because Tendai wasn't picking up her calls.
Atarafi.
Atarafi, man.
Abakozi. They are pick up my calls.
I told him, they are
pick up. Right.
Stop back. Even the people are saying, the fans are saying this. The fans are saying this. Noku, please change your ways. Change your ways, please. It's not.
Oh no, they
do not accept such from Zim girls.
Yeah.
Alright, like this. I can't see what this video is. Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah,
Rufaro said I cried when people exchange his sneakers for the artist. True friendship. Tawanda is Wadiwa Wepa Moyo. That is true love story for all of this.
So what about this one?
And the Manta loves Noku loves Tendai.
And Tendai probably love someone. It's for you. What's the personal pick up my cousin?
That's the way it goes. Why? I don't know. But that's just the way it goes. Ish. No man. Tendai is so cute, but I can't fit a go. Next. Noku needs.
It even know must sleep not innocent.
Innocent. Queen D, Noku innocent. Please.
Anita 1 or 2 year 1 dream.
Please, I do not know what series you're watching, but I was gonna know one to go. Noku is innocent.
But she was before Tendai.
Yeah, maybe, but still, Jarvita, it's not innocent. Right, I think for now, that's it.
That's it, guys.
You already know what to do. Subscribe, yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one to threaten me. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be.